going to show you 3 easy slime recipes you need to try right now. Now, before I get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Subscribe, like, hit the bell. Whatever order it is, I have no idea. But I'm going to show you 3 easy slime recipes. So, I've got this beanie on because it looks nice on me. And also it's quite cold in here. Also, I've got these socks on because it looks nice and it's quite cold. Do you want to smell them? Ew! Oh, doesn't seem like you like them too much. But anyway, enough of that. Let's just get into it. So for this recipe, you need glue, water, and activator. If you want to know how to make activator yourself, I will put it in the description, the ingredients for activator. So let's just get into it. 1/4 cup of glue, water, activator only a teaspoon. Now mix. And now you're finished with this classic slime. Now it's not like fluffy on this thing, it's just like a normal slime like you would get kind of thing. But yeah, it's really just classic like consistency really. So now let's do the second one. So the next one is fluffy slime. So you're going to use shaving foam. Just use the exact same recipe as before, but with foam in it. So I'm just going to do it really quick for you guys. And now, 1/4 cup of glue, water, activator. Now mix it. So it turned out pretty good. Now we're going to add shaving foam. So let's mix it. Okay. Now you just gotta mix it. Okay, yeah, it's turning out good. So this is if you want like a fluffier consistency than this one without it. This one is just like normal, but this one is just normal, but this one has the shaving foam, so it makes it fluffier. It's really interesting. It feels a bit like marshmallow. It looks quite good. And now we're just going to add, which one has shaving foam and doesn't? Oh, this one definitely has shaving foam. I had too much, way too much. No, it's getting all over the table. No. So I've got food colouring all over my hands. Great. But at least this one makes it unique. I'm going to do photos for each of these stretches, but I guess this thumbnail will probably have to have blue hands in it. You probably already realised that in the thumbnail when you saw it. Here you go, that's the photo. I also forgot to take a photo with this white one. No, it's the same exact smile. Gotta do like something different for this one. There we go. And then you're going to do something for the third one. Okay, so this one will be our butter slime. And this will be basically, I'm going to show you the recipe now. 1/4 cup of glue, water. Really like runny like that, but this is actually good because I gotta add a little bit of air dry clay. And I'll add that in now. I'm going to mix it. It's a really light air dry clay. Wait, this one is too hard. I'll get this lighter clay. I'll put this one in. Now I'm going to mix it. I definitely need more activator. So I've actually added a whole lot more teaspoons of activator than I should have, but now it's finished. So look. Wow. It's definitely the most stretchy of them, but I'm just going to do the picture for the thumbnail. Okay, perfect. So that was it, guys, and bye. See you in the next one. I hope this video goes viral.